HART 30-inch Lithium-Ion Riding Mower, Uncrate and Assembly. Unpacking. Cut zip ties around the crate, then remove the plastic covering. Cut the nylon straps securing the boxes and assembly materials. Remove the boxes containing loose parts, assembly hardware, and documentation. Locate the labeled box containing the assembly tools, then open to start assembly. Using the included open-end wrenches, remove the bolts securing the crate frame. Then remove all 4 corner posts. Connecting the batteries. Starting with the center screw, remove the screws securing the battery lid using the T-handle Torx screwdriver. Connect the battery quick connect plugs to the batteries. Reinstall the battery cover and screws. Installing the seat. Unwrap the seat and place the seat assembly over the mounting brackets. Align as shown. Lower the seat clips so it is secured onto the mounting bracket. Attach the seat safety interlock cable to the plug on the mower. Then lower the seat. Assembling the steering wheel. Unbox the steering wheel installation hardware. Install the upper steering shaft into the coupler, rotating as needed to align hole and shaft with bolt hole and coupler. Install the bolt and nut and tighten securely. Torque to 6 foot-pounds. Insert the steering column over the shaft. Install the flat washer and flange nut. Tighten securely. Torque nut to 6 foot-pounds. Install the steering wheel cover. Checking the tire pressure. Tire pressure should measure at 23 psi for the larger rear tires and 20 psi for the smaller front tires. Check pressure on all 4 tires before proceeding. Uncrating the mower. Before removing the mower from the crate, ensure the deck has been raised to the highest position and that the blades on the mower are not engaged. Turn the mower on. Carefully, in reverse, drive mower off the included crate. Charging the mower. Unbox the included HART charger. Charger should be connected to a power supply using normal household current of 120 volts, AC only, 60 Hz. Insert charger plug into the charging port of the mower, ensuring the plug is properly connected.